The Moon and the Little Firefly. One night, the bright moon was shining in the sky, spreading its light everywhere. Everyone was asleep, except for a little firefly. He was trying to glow, but his light was too dim. "Why don't I shine like the moon?" the firefly sighed. He looked up and said, "I wish I could glow as bright as you." The moon smiled and said, "Little firefly, everyone shines in their own way. My light reaches far, but your glow brightens the darkness nearby." The firefly thought for a moment and then felt happy. He fluttered through the forest, lighting up the path for the sleeping animals. The birds and creatures smiled as they saw his tiny light. At that moment, the firefly realized, every light has its own purpose. He smiled, glowing brighter than ever, and fell asleep happily. Moral: everyone has their own special glow, we just need to believe in ourselves. Good night.